I'm Brittany with WTI, and we all need to make sure we stay hydrated, but why not drink out of something that's adorable? And that's why I really like this UPSKY dog water bowl. I absolutely love the design. I think it's absolutely adorable. I love the little paw prints on the side. The reason also I liked the design is that it is a slow drinker. So it has a piece of plastic that's floating in there with the cute little paw print again, and it allows her to get just a little bit of water. I love how easy it is to take this apart, to clean. So another thing that is really nice about this is because you have it on the floor, it's very easy to accidentally kick it with your foot. And with most water dishes, water gets all over the place. It makes it really nice to not have to then clean up a huge mess just because you're a little clumsy. So she really enjoys using this. It's an easy thing to have out for your dog throughout the house whenever they need it. And I think you and your pup are going to love it too. And that's our point of view.